Did Lindsay Lohan just drop the most fashion-forward red carpet looks of 2025? Stay tuned, because we're diving into every single look from her jaw-dropping Freakier Friday movie premiere tour. Hello, fashion lovers. Welcome back to my channel, your go-to spot for celebrity-style fashion, red carpet recaps, and the best-dressed celebrities in the spotlight. Today, we're talking about one Hollywood icon who's made a fierce return, none other than Lindsay Lohan. And let me tell you, she's rewriting the celebrity fashion rulebook. Look by look fashion review. Look 1. In a striking lavender corset gown, Lindsay Lohan paid homage to her iconic character, Anna Coleman, from the original Freaky Friday. Designed by Ludovic de Saint-Sernin and styled by the ever-bold Andrew Mukamal, the custom gown featured sheer mesh detailing, a structured bodice, and a cascading ruffled hemline. The color choice was a direct nod to the character's memorable band performance scene, and while the concept delivered on sentiment, the execution was slightly flawed. The bust cups sat unevenly, and some seams appeared poorly constructed. Yet, the couture ambition behind the gown, paired with Lindsay's radiant presence, transformed imperfections into artistic flair. The centerpiece of her accessories was a Judith Leiber crystal-encrusted guitar clutch, a playful tribute to the fictional band Pink Slip. She complemented the look with Manolo Blahnik Paloma sandals and glittering diamonds from Summer Hallamay, New York, exuding a rock and roll meets red carpet vibe. Her beauty look was soft and romantic. Almond milk blonde hair, loosely styled in waves, with a muted makeup palette, matte lips, a hint of blush, and a gentle shimmer across the lids. It was a beauty statement rooted in nostalgia, yet refreshingly modern. Lohan's fashion choice exemplifies the growing trend of method dressing, where celebrities weave their cinematic past into their red carpet moments. It's both a celebration of legacy and a smart branding strategy. And while the execution of the gown might not have been flawless, her creative intentions scored high marks. Look 2. Lindsay stunned in a cream satin mini dress that whispered of vintage glamour and cocktail elegance. The fitted silhouette hugged her frame, while the structured bodice and halter neckline offered a sultry, sculpted finish. Sparkling silver embellishments added the perfect touch of luxe without overwhelming the look. She carried a woven silver metallic clutch, lending a refined sparkle that echoed the details of her dress. The accessories were tastefully minimal, letting the sleekness of the dress command full attention. Her signature soft, voluminous waves made another appearance, styled with a deep side part and colored in a creamy, cool-toned, almond milk blonde. This tone, cooler than her earlier strawberry hues, perfectly frames her glowing complexion and lends a touch of elegance to the look. The makeup featured luminous skin, soft pink cheeks, and smoky eyes enhanced with fluttery lashes. The lips were glossed in a delicate pink, harmonizing with the subtle glam of the overall ensemble. Jewelry was intentionally restrained. Delicate earrings, stacked rings, and the occasional necklace for effect. This balance of shimmer and simplicity ensured that the look remained polished yet approachable, modern yet timeless. Look 3. For her third appearance, Lohan embraced dramatic elegance in a floor-length, off-the-shoulder black gown. The layered ruffles and sheer paneling brought dimension and romance, while a bold black belt cinched the waist, enhancing her hourglass silhouette. The gown's texture and movement nodded to old Hollywood fashion, yet the soft draping and modern detailing offered a fresh, bohemian twist. She paired the gown with a classic black Yves Saint Laurent mini bag, a piece that quietly underscored the luxury of the look. Her approach to accessories remained consistent, refined, minimal, and thoughtful, putting the spotlight squarely on the dramatic silhouette. Her hair, once again styled in loose, polished waves, maintained the creamy blonde tone she's been favoring this year. The style was timeless and added softness to the strong lines of the gown. For makeup, Lohan favored her signature glowing skin with rosy undertones, a touch of bronzer, and neutral-toned cream eyeshadow. A subtle lip shade and highlighted cheekbones gave her that red carpet-ready radiance without being overpowering. Her longtime makeup artist, Ash K. Home, often opts for Charlotte Tilbury products, known for enhancing natural beauty with a radiant finish. Jewelry was minimal but elegant. Lohan wore slim gold bracelets and understated rings, possibly from her own line with Lily Baker, known for whimsical, stackable pieces featuring rainbow gems, hearts, and celestial motifs. It was a soft, personal touch that felt intimate and on-brand. Look 4. Lindsay Lohan stepped out in a classic black mini dress featuring slightly sheer long sleeves and a ruched, cinched waist that created a flattering silhouette. The gathered waist added structure, while the monochromatic color palette gave off an effortlessly chic vibe. As a fashion staple in her wardrobe, black remains her go-to for versatility and impact. This style balances youthful freshness with mature sophistication, ideal for anything from red carpet interviews to cocktail events. It's proof that minimalism, when done right, can be incredibly powerful. Her hair was styled in ultra-long blonde waves, softly parted at the center to frame her face. This creamy, almond milk blonde tone is her signature in 2025 and complements the dress without stealing attention. The hairstyle channeled old Hollywood glamour but kept a modern, effortless energy that felt youthful and soft. Lindsay's glowing, dewy skin was the centerpiece of her beauty look. She wore a sheer, radiant foundation with subtle blush and nude-tone lips, emphasizing natural beauty over bold colors. Her eyes were softly defined with neutral shadows and feathered lashes, creating that sought-after, effortless glam aesthetic she's been leaning into all year. Her accessories were dainty and refined, layered delicate chains, slim bracelets, and understated rings. The minimalist jewelry enhanced the look without overwhelming it. Lohan often mixes gold with diamond accents, a style echoed in her own jewelry line, which features stackable and mix-and-match designs inspired by her personal tastes. She completed the look with black strappy heels, a choice that lengthened her legs and maintained the clean, cohesive aesthetic of the outfit. This look exemplifies Lindsay's ability to blend timeless elegance with subtle trendiness. The black mini dress, understated glam, and refined jewelry underscore her transition from former teen idol to modern-day fashion muse. Look 5. In a visual nod to her iconic pink slip band days from Freaky Friday, Lohan wore a romantic pink slip dress by Chloe. The dress featured lace inserts across the chest and at the hem, adding a soft, ethereal detail to the otherwise sleek silhouette. The dress oozed boho elegance, perfectly blending nostalgia with updated femininity. She added a long, double-looped pink necklace, multiple bracelets, and stacked rings, bringing in movement and dimension. Her choice of black peep-toe slingback platform heels gave the outfit a bit of edge, grounding the look in the present with a nod to early 2000s platform trends. This ensemble isn't just about fashion, it's storytelling. By subtly referencing her on-screen past, Lindsay creates a clever, cinematic callback for longtime fans, while still keeping the outfit red carpet ready. This look strikes the perfect balance between soft glam and nostalgic playfulness, with every detail, from the lace work to the accessories, carefully curated to honor the past while celebrating the now. Look 6. Wearing a cherry blossom-printed mini dress from Oscar de la Renta's pre-fall 2025 collection, Lindsay gave us florals with a twist, delicate, embroidered blossoms on a soft tweed silhouette, complete with lace-trimmed edges. She kept the styling clean and elegant, opting for silver jewelry, a diamond tennis necklace, dainty bracelets, minimal rings, and tiny hoop earrings. The result? Soft, romantic, and unmistakably polished. But true to form, Lindsay added a fun layer of nostalgia. In her photo carousel, fans spotted posters and vinyl records referencing Pink Slip, the fictional garage band from the original Freaky Friday. It's the kind of subtle detail only true fans would catch. Look 7. At the SiriusXM Town Hall event in New York on July 28, 2025, Lindsay Lohan leaned fully into her Y2K roots with a fun and fresh twist. She wore a long-sleeved white Mickey Mouse graphic tee, embellished with ornate beadwork on the sleeves, blending childhood nostalgia with upscale styling. Paired with light wash, high-waisted denim jeans, the outfit had a lived-in charm, suggesting both comfort and intentionality. These jeans didn't scream trendy, they whispered timeless. The standout element? Patterned loafers that added a vibrant pop of personality. The shoes transformed the casual look into something elevated and editorial, a true high-low style moment. While her outfit exuded laid-back energy, it was clear that every element, from the artisan sleeve detailing to the choice of classic denim, was thoughtfully styled. Even in relaxed settings, Lindsay continues to master the balance between approachable and aspirational. This look is a masterclass in modern nostalgia, a thoughtful, fashion-savvy tribute to her roots.
Summary.
So, what's the verdict? Lindsay Lohan's fashion comeback isn't just a walk down memory lane, it's a powerful evolution. From elegant gowns to playful nods to her Disney past, she's back on the best dress list, blending nostalgia with forward-thinking 2025 fashion trends. These looks aren't just clothes, they're full-on star fashion moments. Which Lindsay Lohan look was your favorite? Drop a comment below and tell us what you'd wear to your own red carpet moment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another celebrity style guide, fashion highlight, and trending red carpet review. Until next time, stay stylish, stay inspired, and keep watching Fashion Review.